Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today we will discuss about skeletal system. Our body is made up of many organs. Some are visible to us and some are not. The organs which are visible to us are called our external organs, and the organs which are not visible to us are called our internal organs. Examples of external organs are our legs, our hands, and examples of external organs are our heart, brain, lungs, kidney, etc. So, today we will discuss about skeletal system. If you touch any part of your body and press it, you will find a hard structure behind your skin. All these are bones. Our body is made up of bones, and when all these bones are connected from head to toe, our skeletal system is made. Our skeletal system consists of 206 bones, but when a child born, he or she has more than 350 bones. When she grows, more bones get fused with each other and the adult person remains with only 206 bones. Okay, then there are many types of bones present in our skeletal system. Four main bones are in skull, spine, rib cage and the limbs. Skull, backbone, limbs and rib cage, all these connected and our skeletal system is made. The skull. Our skull is made up of 14 facial bones, and in all these bones our lower jaw is the movable. With the help of the lower jaw, we can eat, we can speak. Other bones of the skulls are immovable. They are fixed. The spine or backbone. Our spine consists of 33 bones joined together, and they all are gliding over each other. And these small bones are called vertebrae. So there are 33 vertebrae present in our backbone. Rib cage. Rib cage is present in our chest region. The bones are connected in the circular motion, in the circular form to the backbone. Ribs are the circular bones connected to the backbone. Our rib cage protect our internal organs like lungs, heart. Lungs, heart are very delicate organ, and our skull consists of the bones protect our brain. Brain is also a very delicate organ. Then limbs. First we talk about our hand limb. The bone between the shoulder and the elbow is called the arm, and the bone between the elbow and the wrist is called the forearm. And our hand. So hand limb has three parts: arm, forearm and the hand. Our hand consists of 5 fingers. Then leg limb. A leg limb consists of hip, thigh, then knee, leg, ankle and foot. The bone between the hip and the knee is called the thigh bone. It is also known as femur bone. It is the strongest and the largest bone present in our skeletal system. And the bone between the knee and the ankle is called the leg. Our foot consists of 5 fingers. Then how our bone join together? So two bone join together with a joint. Joint is a place where two bones joint together. Many types of joint present in our body. First is hinge joint. Hinge joint is a joint which allow movement only in the one direction, like our elbow fold and our knee fold. Hinge joint is also present in our fingers, in our toes. Pivot joint. Pivot joint is a joint present between the neck and the first vertebra of the backbone. Pivot joint help our head to move in all the direction. It can bend sideways also. Next, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint allow movement of the bones in all the directions, like our shoulder. Then gliding joints. Gliding joints are the joints which glide over each other and help us to move or do our daily life activities, like our wrist and ankle. Muscles are the skin type structure which cover our skeleton. So muscles covers our skeleton. With the help of muscle, we are not able to see our bones. Muscles and bones work together. Muscles helps us to do our daily life activities, as muscles only move the bones. Bones not able to move alone. Muscles help bones to move. So we have to make our bones and muscles very strong, so have to take care of them. So to take care of our bones, we have to eat healthy food. We have to eat calcium and protein rich food, for example egg, milk, meat, etc. And also we have to do daily exercise. Exercise is very necessary to keep healthy and fit.